everyone, welcome to Dawn Kitchen, guys. Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Color green and smoked turkey wings. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Hit that notification bell so when Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. And to all my supporters, subscriber, YouTuber, and supporter, a big warm welcome to you all. Manners and respect. Let's get started. 1 pound smoked turkey wings, 1 carrot, 2 stalks of scallion or green onion, piece of bell pepper or sweet pepper, 1 onion, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, 1 ounce cooking butter, and the star of the show, the collard green. Four tablespoons of cooking oil, coconut oil. I've made this coconut oil. I've done a video on it, so I will link together, and you will see how you can make the coconut oil, or you can use whatsoever oil you have. First, you're gonna rinse your turkey wings with some vinegar. Next, you're gonna rinse the collard green in some salt water. You don't just cook greens and don't rinse it, you have to wash it properly. Then we're gonna cut the collard green 1 inch, just thick. Hold it tight and squeeze the leaf together so you can get to cut it properly. Just be careful of the knife and your fingers. I'm going to cut the collard green again. I need it smaller, so you want to cut it again. With the carrot, you got to scrape off the outside layer just like this. You're going to rinse the carrot, rinse the scallion, your onion, and the pepper, rinse them under cold water. The carrot, you open it on the side, you put it up like this, and open like that. And you're going to get it flat, and then you're going to cut. Onion, scallion or green onion, chop finely. Pepper, just gonna cut finely, but not, you don't use a seed. So let me continue doing these. For the piece of sweet pepper, the bell pepper, we're not using this right now. With our carrot and the piece of sweet pepper, aka bell pepper, we just gonna set that aside, and with your chop up green vegetable, we're just gonna add to the collard green. Gonna add the salt and the all-purpose seasoning to it. And you want to rub all this seasoning in the collard green. If you want to use black pepper, you can add some black pepper to it. And what I didn't say, it's 1 pound of collard green and 1 pound of turkey, smoked turkey wings. The pot don't have to hot for this. I'm going to place a little oil in. Remember my coconut oil. And you're going to put the collard green in. Along with the turkey wings. And you're going to put like 2 cups of water. This will take a lot of water. And it's going to take approximately 1.5 to 2 hours to cook. So it takes water. So we're going to put water in the pot. Guys, you're watching this video today and you like what you see, please be sure to like the video, share the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don is doing a video. Like, share, and comment. And you're gonna place the lid on the pot. So I see you back, guys, in the next 1 hour time. But remember, you have to keep focusing on the pot and to put water in it each time the water goes down, because it takes a lot of water to cook. Collard green is hard, and also the turkey wings, they are hard, so we have to give it some time to cook. So let us cut on the remaining seasoning that we have here. This is the other half of the onion, but you already see how to do the onion. And this is sweet pepper or bell pepper. Just cut like this. And of course I need some garlic, 3 cloves of garlic. Let me check under the pot, guys. The collard green. Wow, look at this. It's 1.5 hours. So it's time now. We're gonna add in the remaining vegetable that we have here. And during the process, I add 3 more cups of water to it. Remember, I told you you have to add water, because the collard green, and that's our butter. I just want to mix everything around. I'm just gonna tip 1 more cup of water in this, and I'm gonna give it 10 more minutes just for the carrot and the onion, the remaining onion, to just add some flavor to this. And you want to turn the fire down. You can always taste your pot, guys, to see if it needs any more thing in it. Look how pretty it's looking. Let me taste and see. OMG, this is perfect. And you know, collard green, guys, is like callaloo. In Jamaica, we don't have collard green. We have callaloo, but it's the same thing. Give the same iron benefit and all of that. So I see you back in 10 minutes time. Let's make it simmer down and I'll be back. So beautiful people, the collard green is now ready for eating. Collard green with smoked turkey wings. And I'm telling you guys, it's so delicious with the smoked turkey wings and all those ingredients that in it. So give it a try, and it's steamy hot. Look at all the steam blowing out. So I thank you guys for watching. Please take care and give this recipe a try. So let me show you how soft the turkey wings is and all of that. You see? So, beautiful people, take care of yourself. And I thank you. One love, peace all the time. See you on the next one. Bye for now.